So today I'm going to talk about a product that I've heard so many people raving about. Finally, I bought it myself. This guy. I got it on Amazon. Only tried it once so far, so I'm going to show you guys how to use it today. It's super easy to use. So far I love it. I'll tell you all about it. It's a lot bigger than I thought it would be. It's very wide. Got a lot of girth. Super easy. Straightforward stuff. All you do is plug it in. This thing blow dries and straightens your hair at the exact same time. So it is supposed to save you time. So today I will put a timer on. I'll tell you how long it took me to actually do my hair today. Like I said, I've only used it once so far, so we'll see how it goes. The first time was really easy, so hopefully it will be easy again. So we'll see. All right, let's give it a go. Let me grab the timer. How did that take? That's how long it took. Not bad, right? Okay, so my hair is totally dry. I'm not very good with a round brush, like as you can see. Usually I get them stuck in my hair, but the good thing about this brush is I feel like when you use it, it's impossible for it to get stuck. But because it's so big, I feel like it's pretty easy to put through your hair, and there's no way that I would straighten my hair after that because it is already straight. I have volume, it feels good. It probably would have been a little bit quicker if I had done it on the high heat. I did it on the low heat setting. Cool, and I've saved a step. So I love this thing. I got it on Amazon. I'll share a link. I totally think it's worth all the money. I think it's worth the hype. So if you head to the bio in the video, you can see where I got mine. I got it on Amazon. So that's it. I have good hair. Yay, it's exciting. Love it.